My name's Paul Kearney. What I love to do is imagine futures and work with our team, guide, influence and teach. What I've always been focused on is what the needs of the people we're working for really are. Not so much what we can do for them right now, but what are the needs they need fulfilled and how might we be able to go and fill them over time. So that's the way financial planning got introduced to the practice. And it's why we started doing software, and it's why we're now embarking on the sorts of services that business leaders need. The journey, as it has been for the clients that we love to work with, is one of continual evolution. Transformation, it's the very deliberate act of choosing to be something other than you are right now. It means letting go of maybe what got you to where you are at the moment so that you can make the change to where you want to get to. It'll mean giving some things up, and it'll mean gaining some very important things. At Kearney Group, we know that the numbers only matter because the people behind them matter. So our staff understand that when they're working with numbers, it's only important because of the clients that sit behind those numbers and the clients' situations and their life circumstances and the journeys that they're on. And what's truly inspiring about the team that I work with is that they love this stuff. They actually love the client journey. Yes, they use their numbers to ply their trade, but it's actually the client journey that's important to them. What gets them out of bed every day, what stimulates them. We know that all of our clients are on a quest. We also know that quest is going to have twists and turns. What our integrated advisory teams will do is come on that quest with you, come on the journey with you, provide you with the support that you need to make good decisions at the right time so that you can get what you truly want out of your life. We know it's not about the money. What we do know also though is that the money is a big part of what enables what you truly want from your life to be achieved.